Charlie? Where did you go? Clyde, where did you take Charlie? Charlie, we told you never listen to Clyde. He's bad news. Clyde's got nothing good to say. Look at how dirty. Look at our girl. How dirty, Charlie. Charlie, are you a show dog, Charlie? Clyde, we said no show dogs in the ditch. God. Charlie, Papa's coming to give you a bath. Where did you go? You went to the ditch with Clyde? Oh, that's so bad. Oh, that's so bad, Charlie. Where did you go? Where did you go? Clyde. Clyde, you're bad. Where did you take my girl? Oh, I'm sending this to Papa Matt. I'm going to tell him. Look at you, Charlie. Charlie, are you a farm dog? Yeah. Okay, sweetie pea, we're going to get you bath. Ugh.